Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. Today we're going to be learning food signs, specifically fruits and veggies. This is part 2 of 3 videos we've done on food signs. So check out the first one right here. Be sure to stay all the way till the end. I'll be putting these words into sentences so you can start using them in conversations today. We have a monthly newsletter, so check out the description for a link. Let's learn how to sign fruits and veggies. Apple, apple. Your index finger is bent right here at your cheek. Apple. Artichoke, artichoke. Your hands are making the shape of the artichoke. Artichoke. Avocado, avocado. You have the shell and scooping out all of the avocado inside. Avocado. Banana, banana. It's just like you're peeling the banana. Banana. Berry, berry. It's the stem and the berry at the end. Berry. Blackberry, blackberry. You're doing the sign black and berry together. Blackberry. Carrot, carrot. Think of chomping on a carrot. Carrot. Cherry, cherry. Your pinky finger is making the stem and your non-dominant hand is making the cherry. Cherry. Corn, corn. It's just like you're eating the corn on the cob. Corn. Cucumber, cucumber. Your non-dominant hand is the cucumber and your dominant hand is making slices. Cucumber. Fruit, fruit. You have an F hand twisted on the side of your face. Fruit. Grapes, grapes. Your hand is making the grapes on the vine. Grapes. Mango, mango. You have an open C hand coming up to your face and moving upwards. Mango. Melon, melon. It's just like you're thumping the melon to make sure it's good. Melon. Peach, peach. It's just showing like the peach fuzz of the skin. Peach. Pear, pear. You're making the shape of the pear with your hands. Pear. Peas, peas. Your non-dominant hand is representing the pod and showing the little peas inside. Peas. Pineapple or pineapple. You're making an F hand twisting on your eye or showing that you're slicing the skin of the pineapple. Pineapple, pineapple. Potato, potato. You have 2 bent fingers coming down on your hand. Potato. Raisins, raisins. You're flicking your pinky finger up at the top of your head. Raisins. Salad, salad. It's just like the action of tossing the salad. Salad. Spinach, spinach. Think of Popeye and his muscles because he eats spinach. Spinach. Strawberry, strawberry. You make an F hand twisting it back and forth from your chin. Strawberry. String beans, string beans. Here's the string of the beans and pulling them out. String beans. Tomato, tomato. The sign red, slice, slice, slice. Tomato. Vegetable, vegetable. You do a V hand that's twisted on your cheek. Vegetable. There are so many fruits and vegetable signs, but there are several that are actually fingerspelled. For instance, there's apricot, asparagus, bell pepper, broccoli, cauliflower, celery, garlic, grapefruit, plum, raspberry. Now that you've learned all of these fruits and vegetable signs, let's put them into sentences. I love pineapple. I love it, pineapple. Did you eat all your fruits and vegetables? You eat. Finish. Vegetable you. Does this have strawberries in it? This food strawberries have? Now, go around your house, find some fruits and vegetables, and sign them and share them with your family. This isn't the only video we did on food signs, so be sure to check out our other videos. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and be notified. This really helps our channel out. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.